Hi students, today I am doing the problems from exercise 2.2. First problem, prove that 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. X belongs to closed interval minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. To prove this, first we have to take let sin inverse x equal to theta. It implies we have x equal to sin theta here. Now, it's given that x belongs to the closed interval minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. We have minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 1 by 2. Here x equal to we have sin theta. Then minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to sin theta less than or equal to plus 1 by 2. Then sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to sin inverse of sin theta less than or equal to sin inverse of 1 by 2. Then here sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 30. So minus pi by 6 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to plus pi by 6. We know that sin 3 theta equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equal to sin theta equal to x. So 3x minus 4x cube. Now we have sin 3 theta equal to 3x minus 4x cube. To get inverse of this function, we have to verify whether 3 theta lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 or not. So multiply by 3 here. So minus 3 into pi by 6 less than or equal to 3 theta less than or equal to plus 3 into pi by 6. So it becomes minus pi by 2 less than or equal to 3 theta less than or equal to plus pi by 2. Clearly 3 theta lies in the interval closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Now we have to verify whether 3x minus 4x cube lies in the closed interval minus 1 to plus 1 or not. When x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2, since x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2, 3x minus 4x cube belongs to minus 1 to plus 1. From these two conditions, we say that inverse of this function exists. So we can write sin 3 theta equal to here we have 3x minus 4x cube. Since 3 theta lies in the interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 and 3x minus 4x cube lies in the interval minus 1 to plus 1, inverse of this function exists. So we can write it as 3 theta equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. But theta equal to we have sin inverse x. So it's equal to 3 sin inverse x equal to sin inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Hence proved. Second problem, prove that 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x, comma x belongs to the closed interval 1 by 2 to 1. Proof. Here we have to take cos inverse x equal to theta. Let cos inverse x equal to theta. It implies x equal to cos theta. Now cos 3 theta equal to, formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta equal to 4 into cos theta equal to x. So x cube minus 3x. So cos 3 theta equal to 4x cube minus 3x. Now to get inverse of this function, we have to verify whether 3 theta lies in the interval 0 to pi or not. And we have to verify 4x cube minus 3x, 4x cube minus 3x belongs to the closed interval minus 1 to plus 1 or not. When 3 theta belongs to the closed interval 0 to pi and 4x cube minus 3x belongs to the closed interval minus 1 to plus 1, we say that inverse of this function exists. So for that we have to take 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to plus 1. X equal to cos theta. So take x equal to cos theta here. So 1 by 2 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to plus 1. Then it implies 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to pi by 3. Here we have 3 theta. So multiply the given inequality by 3 now. So when you multiply by 3, we get 0 less than or equal to 3 theta less than or equal to pi. So clearly 3 theta belongs to the interval, closed interval 0 to pi. Now whenever 1 by 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, it implies, we say that 4x cube minus 3x belongs to the closed interval minus 1 to plus 1. So from these two conditions, we say that inverse of this function exists. So we have to take cos 3 theta equal to 4x cube minus 3x. It implies 3 theta equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Theta equal to cos inverse x. Then we have to write 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x. Hence proved. Prove that tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. LHS equal to tan inverse of 2 by 11 plus tan inverse of 7 by 24 equal to, here it's in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. X greater than 0, y greater than 0 and xy is less than 1. So tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to formula tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy if xy less than 1. If xy more than 1, we have pi plus tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Here x equal to 2 by 11, y equal to 7 by 24. So x into y is clearly less than 1. So we have to take this formula. So now it's equal to tan inverse of x equal to here 2 by 11, y equal to 7 by 24. So tan inverse of x plus y by 2 by 11 plus 7 by 24 upon 1 minus 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. Now take LCM, 11 into 24 LCM. LCM of 11 and 24 is 264. Then 48 plus 77 upon we have 264 LCM, 264 minus 2 into 7, 14. Then 264 cancel, equal to tan inverse of 125 upon 250. Now 125 to 250. So equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. RHS equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. Hence proved. Prove that 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse of 31 by 17. Solution: LHS equal to 2 tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 equal to, here we have to take formula 2 tan inverse x. The formula for 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square, when x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. Clearly 1 by 2 lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So in the place of x, here you have 1 by 2. So 2 tan inverse of x equal to tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. So it implies tan inverse of 2 into x by 1 minus x 1 by 2 whole square plus tan inverse of 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse of 2 to cancel, 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square, so 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Take LCM, tan inverse of 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Then it's equal to tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. Now it's in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse of, take LCM 21, 28 plus 3 upon 21 minus 4 upon 21. So tan inverse of 31 by 21 minus 4 equal to 17 equal to RHS. Hence proved. Write the following functions in the simplest form. Fifth problem. Tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x, comma x not equal to 0. Solution. Whenever the expression is of the form a square plus x square, whenever we have the expression a square plus x square, in this case put x equal to a tan theta. Put a equal to 1. then 1 plus x square, x equal to tan theta. So here in this problem we have to take x equal to tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta, then we get tan inverse of square root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by tan theta equal to, we know that 1 plus tan square theta is always equal to secant square theta. Since 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, we can write tan inverse of square root of secant square theta minus 1 by tan theta. Now root secant square theta equal to secant theta here. So it implies tan inverse of secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. Secant theta can be taken as 1 by cos theta. So tan inverse of 1 by cos theta minus 1 by sin theta by cos theta, it implies it's equal to tan inverse of, take LCM here, cos theta LCM 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta by cos theta. Then cos theta cancel, equal to tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin theta equal to 1 minus cos alpha equal to 2 sin square alpha by 2. So here tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta equal to formula 2 sin square theta by 2. Sin theta formula 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 to cancel. Then tan inverse of sin theta by cos theta by 2 tan theta by 2 equal to theta by 2. X equal to tan theta. Then theta equal to tan inverse x. So equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse x. This is the simplest form of the given problem. So the final answer is 1 by 2 into tan inverse x. Sixth problem, tan inverse of 1 upon square root of x square minus 1. If the given expression is of the form x square minus a square, take x equal to a secant theta or a cosecant theta. X equal to a secant theta or x equal to a cosecant theta. Put a equal to 1 here. So x square minus 1. X equal to cosecant theta or x equal to secant theta. Now here we have to take x equal to cosecant theta. Then it becomes tan inverse of 1 upon square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So now cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. So it implies cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So it can be written as square root of cot square theta. equal to tan inverse of 1 upon square root of cot square theta equal to tan inverse of 1 by cot theta equal to tan inverse of tan theta equal to theta. So theta equal to x equal to cosecant theta. So it implies theta equal to cosecant inverse x. Hence proved. Seventh problem. Tan inverse of square root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x, x less than pi. Here 1 minus cos x formula is 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2. Now take these two formulae and apply here. Tan inverse of square root of 2 sin square x by 2, since 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sin square x by 2 upon 1 plus cos x equal to 2 cos square x by 2, then 2 cancel, equal to tan inverse of square root of tan square x by 2 equal to tan inverse of root a square equal to a. So square root of tan square x by 2 equal to tan x by 2 equal to x by 2. This is the simplest form of the given problem. Eighth problem. Tan inverse of cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x. Whenever we have tan inverse of, this whole thing should be expressed in terms of tan. To get in terms of tan function, we have to divide numerator and denominator by cos x. Then we get tan inverse of cos x minus sin x by cos x upon cos x plus sin x by cos x equal to, this can be written as tan inverse of cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x. Cos x by cos x minus sin x by cos x upon cos x by cos x plus sin x by cos x equal to tan inverse of cos x by cos x 1 minus sin x by cos x equal to tan x 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x equal to tan inverse of, here this can be written as tan of pi by 4 minus x. It's equal to tan pi by 4, 1 equal to tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 equal to 1 into tan x. Then it's in the form of tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. So it's equal to tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus x equal to, we have pi by 4 minus x. So this is the simplest form of the given problem. Ninth problem, tan inverse of x upon square root of a square minus x square mod x less than a. Whenever we have the expression a square minus x square, the substitution is put x equal to a sin theta or x equal to a cos theta. So here we have to take x equal to a sin theta, then it becomes tan inverse of a sin theta upon square root of a square minus x equal to a sin theta. So a square sin square theta equal to tan inverse of a sin theta upon, take common a square, into 1 minus sin square theta we have equal to tan inverse of a sin theta upon square root of a square into cos square theta. Since 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta, then it's equal to tan inverse of a sin theta upon root a square equal to a, square root of cos square theta equal to cos theta, then it becomes tan inverse of tan theta equal to theta. We have taken x equal to a sin theta here, x equal to a sin theta. Whenever x equal to a sin theta, x by a equal to sin theta, then theta equal to sin inverse of x by a. So theta can be taken as sin inverse of x by a. This is the simplest form of the given expression tan inverse of x by square root of a square minus x square. Tenth problem, tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a x square a greater than 0 minus a by root 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to a by root 3. In this problem, put x equal to a tan theta. Then tan theta equal to x by a. It implies theta equal to tan inverse of x by a. Now, in the given expression, put x equal to a tan theta. Then the given problem becomes tan inverse of 3a square x equal to a tan theta minus x equal to a tan theta whole cube. So it becomes a cube into tan cube theta upon a cube minus 3a into x equal to a tan theta whole square. So it's equal to tan inverse of 3a cube tan theta minus a cube into tan cube theta upon a cube minus 3a into a square into tan square theta. A square into a equal to a cube. 3a cube tan square theta. Numerator a cube is common here. So tan inverse of take a cube common, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta. Upon a cube common, 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So a cube cancel. Then it's equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. This is the formula for tan 3 theta. So tan inverse of tan 3 theta equal to 3 theta. Here theta equal to tan inverse of x by a. So that it's equal to 3 into tan inverse of x by a. This is the simplest form of the given problem.